The Legislative Assembly election in the Indian state of Rajasthan was held on 7 December 2018 to elect members of the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly. The election was held in single phase, but with voting in the single constituency of Ramgarh delayed until January due to the death of the BJP candidate. Indian National Congress became the single largest party and Rashtriya Loktantric Party became the third largest party of the state in 2018. In the last elections in 2013, BJP had won a majority. The tenure of Rajasthan Assembly ended on January 20, 2019. The main fight is between the BJP and the Incorporated and the RLP. However, the OP and the BSP are also contesting along with several other parties. Many high-profile leaders including sitting MLA, MP and former ministers of the BJP have joined the Incorporated before the elections. Some leaders of the Incorporated have also joined the BJP. The date of the election was 7 December 2018 and the result was announced on 11 December 2018. The exit polls gave a clear edge to the Indian National Congress. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.